Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3 support wireless charging? In front of me I have wireless charging station, so we need to only put these earbuds at the charging station. Now we see the LED light at the charging station, but the most important that we see it in the front side, at the front side. The charging case, meaning that your earbuds are charging. And my short answer is yes, this earbuds support wireless charging. Because of it, we can also use reverse wireless charging if your phone supports this technology. So we need to go to the settings, then battery, and right here we have battery share. We need to only enable this mode, then turn over the phone and put these earbuds at the phone. But we need to find a good position. Here we go. And now we also see the LED light. Okay, I saw it. Oh, here we go. Meaning that it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.